and welcome to a special edition called Kids in the Kitchen. I love cooking, and I started cooking as a little kid, which inspired us to do a contest and have our online viewers send in their videos of their favorite junior celebrity chefs. And today we have our winner, Chef Crazy J. Thanks for coming, Chef.
Thanks for having me.
So why the name Crazy J?
Well, I came up with out-of-the-box combinations that other people thought were crazy, but they turned out good, like bacon pumpkin pie.
That sounds delicious. Well, today, Jordan, we're gonna make a crazy delicious recipe. Baked sausage omelets with hidden vegetables and cheese. You ready to get started?
That sounds really good, yeah.
All right. So our first step is we're gonna preheat an oven to 325 degrees, which we've already done. Now, remember, when you're working in the kitchen, it's always good to have a parent or an adult nearby, because cooking is a lot of fun, but it can also be a little dangerous. So the first thing we're gonna do is we have 2 little brushes and we have olive oil, and we're going to brush the insides of these muffin tins to make sure that nothing sticks.
Can I use paper liners?
Yeah, you can make paper liners so it'll be more fun, but you'll also want to spray the insides with pan spray or use olive oil the same way that we are here. So now that we've got these all coated, our next step is we've got 4 whole eggs that are in a measuring cup, and we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of milk. And then I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt to this for you. And we're gonna whisk this. Now, it's important to actually mix pretty strong because you want the eggs and the milk and the salt to all come together. And you wanna add a little bit of air because that's gonna help our omelets with a really nice fluffy texture. So while you're whisking, we've got some different types of vegetables here. We've got some broccoli, some cherry tomatoes that we've cut in half. We've got some bell peppers, and then we've got our Johnsonville chili cheese smoked sausage and a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna let you build these 3, and I'm gonna build these, and I know you said you're not a big fan of bell peppers, so you don't have to put those in there. And that's what's so great about this dish, is that you can build these with your friends or with your siblings, and everybody can make theirs a little bit different.
Sounds fun.
Okay, so now we're gonna take these eggs that you've whisked together so well, and we're gonna just pour the eggs right over, and you wanna put your ingredients in first so that it doesn't overfill if you start with the eggs. So I'm gonna give you a fork, and I just want you to kind of gently mix those vegetables around a little bit so that we make sure that the egg is all mixed in. So now that we've got these egg cups all filled up, and just so you know whose is whose, I'm gonna put a little tomato right on top of mine so that when they come out of the oven, we can tell the difference, okay? So these are gonna go into a 325-degree oven for about 20 minutes, or until when you shake it, they're gonna be firm. And remember to always use an oven mitt when you're removing this from the oven, because nobody wants to get burned, right? So I'm gonna set these off to the side, because we already have some that are already done, if you wanna pull that out. Perfect. And then we're gonna grab this plate right here. Now you wanna let these cool when they come out of the oven, okay? Because you wanna be able to touch this once they've cooled. Now, since we use the olive oil at the beginning, these are gonna pop out real easy. So I'm just gonna pull one of these out, and you are gonna give it a taste test, which is the best part, and let me know what you think.
This looks good.
How is it?
Really good.
Good? Well, right before we go, on behalf of Johnsonville Sausage and Kids in the Kitchen, we want to present you with this iPad mini.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I wish I had one of these. But this is great to help you stay organized with your cooking and your great business, and just keep up the great work being a future celebrity chef. And thanks for joining us today, Jordan. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
To find out more about this recipe, go to betterlivingtv.ca/sausage muffin cups.